So look, Rachel, we sat down in January to set the objectives. Straightforward. All you needed to do is look at the screen and achieve the objectives. What could be more difficult? But I'm looking here. February, 67% behind target. June, 54% behind target. I mean, come on, Rachel. And then you think you can give yourself a rating of 4? Come, let's be realistic here. I would give you a 1. A solid, good 1. At a push, a 2.
I didn't realize that these figures were that bad, because the last time we met was like in February, which was 10 months ago. If I had known that my performance was this bad, I would have done something about it sooner.
Look, let me explain what appraisals are for. Appraisals are for gathering all the feedback and giving it to you in one shot. I don't have time to meet with you every month, Rachel. I'm busy. You had your objectives, achieve them. That's it. Performance appraisals should not be a surprise or a shock at the end of the year. If you have tracked and monitored your employees' performance and had regular monthly feedback sessions, everything should go smoothly. The next video will show you how it should be done. Hi Rachel, thanks so much for coming in to meet with me. So look, I've gone through your objectives and I can see that, you've been tracking your objectives on a monthly basis and we've been having regular meetings, which has been really good. Every month we've updated them, and as you can see, your performance has been between 45 and 50% behind target. Now look, the main objective I feel that we need to work on is actually prioritizing and making sure you've communicated all of your priorities to your colleagues. When you keep your colleagues in the loop of your objectives and your progress, they can help you. Remember, any delays that you create then have a backlash on the overall department.
That's true. I see what you mean.
Okay, so look, the rating that I've given you for here is a 1.5. But I think what we can do is moving forward, maybe we can apply this feedback and take it to the next year so that we will then be able to improve your KPIs and your targets. Okay.